In this recap, I want to show you a live trade that I did for $15,000 profit on Tesla. And I have the live recording and my profit and loss in real time for you to see, and to see how I actually stop myself from taking profit too early and be patient to maximize the profit I can have from the trade. It's very easy as soon as you see a green $1,000, $2,000 to get out of it, but it's very hard to actually look at the market atlas, which is a very important tool, and manage the proper adds to your trade to maximize the profit and get the full potential of the trade. So watch this recap. Specifically, it's a little bit of a long recap, but it specifically help you to understand the thought process behind my trade and my trade management. So let's watch the trades together. So this is the overall trade that I want to show you. So Tesla is a trade that we call it red to green, and one of the most important day trading strategies that I teach in my book, with two very important ads that we had on that, from 424 all the way to 429, and eventually the final price target was 435. So this trade came to our attention through the community. So Brian in the chat room was trading it. So he did trade it through the red to green multiple times. This dash line is the previous day close. So in that time, it was around 424, just below 424. So as you see, it went and up a couple of times through the previous day close. So it was really hovering around this red to green strategy. But finally, as the volume picked up, we started going, for a red to green, and I was really patient not to trade it a little bit early. But as soon as I saw that the volume is really picking up, significantly, we decided to go long. But what was the reason that I went long here and not here? Market Atlas. And I'm going to show you in this live recording that what was exactly the reason that I didn't go long here or I didn't go long here and I went long at this time is just because the signals were very clear. 428, I think the most important one, we're going to see it in real time, 429, and all the way up to 435 that this trade go there. And that was the reason that I was patient and I added more instead of just partialing too early. And even when I partialed and I saw that we get the confirmation about 430, I added back again, and then we get a much, much bigger move. So the most important tool that you need to use is Trading Terminal to understand that one. But remember, I actually went through Trading Terminal and replayed this exactly the same time with the number of the share size that I traded. So you can actually exactly see the entries, partials, and unrealized P&L. And as you see, sometimes the unrealized profit and loss is a lot, and it's very scary not to take the profit. But having trust in your system, I think, is the most important. This is how it starts. So this is exactly the time. And again, remember that, the time is at 10:03. So what I saw here is that the red to green is happening. And so the orders are stacking up at 426, 427, and 430 was the big orders. And the market assess was telling us there's nothing to the downside, but there's significant order to the upside. So I decided to go long with 1,000 share here. And as you see, the number of the shares and the price that I got filled, this is a replay through Trading Terminal. And I was ready. And as you see here, my hand is coming toward the partial. So I was ready to see if I'm onto partial or not. And I was looking at my unrealized P&L. So obviously $1,000 is not bad for 1,000 share here. But looking at the market atlas, I see that the orders at 427 and significantly at 430 is there. So I was really patient here to see if I can actually get this huge move. If I just get out of this one completely, was it really helpful? No, maybe I get a $1,000, but when I went long here, my stop loss would have been here. So I had to give enough, time for this to go toward my setup. So this is my risk. And I want to get to, at least to 1 R to be able to partial. Even though I'm up $2,000, but statistics for me is very important to know that for everybody to remember that, this $2,000 doesn't mean anything if you just keep partialing and, before you actually get to the risk that you're having. So again, it's very tempting. You look at the trade that you did, being patient, and this number just keeps going up and down. It's very important for you to be patient and, trust the system that you have. So this is my risk. Like let's say, even if it's a VWAP, so 424.50 to 422 is $2. So at the first partial I had to do is around 420, $2 from here. So 424, $2 would be 426.50. So this is getting to this around the same area of the 1-to-1 risk to reward. But I haven't, it's still partial because, I have a very good confidence that the price is going through at 430. And before Market Atlas, before I had this important tool, I was looking only at the level 2 in my platform. However, the level 2 doesn't have the timestamp, and I cannot zoom in and out too much on it. By having this, I still have a really good confirmation. And there is nothing in the price that is not a sign for me to, is not a sign that I get out of it. So still the price action is, very bullish. And as you see, the 1 minute is making higher high and higher low. And even a pullback toward the, moving averages is reasonable for me. So understanding the price action and putting it into perspective with Market Atlas and this huge order that you're having is the most important element in my being patient. All right, so it's been 3 minutes that I'm in the trade. So even though I'm a scalper and it popped up, still I'm patient. So again, patience is very, very important in this case. And let's see if I can actually go a little bit faster to see what is going to happen. I want to go a little bit faster here. I'm going to play this one at 2 times the speed of normal speed. So this is a 2 times normal speed right now. So as you see, the timer is going to go a little bit faster just for the sake of time. So here, as you see, we did a small ABCD pattern, bull flag, and the price is going up, but I haven't partialed because I see the orders at 428 is stacking up and 430 is the trade that the big order is there. So this pullback, even though it's a little bit scary, this doji, but I still have a good, confidence in this trade. Again, it's faster. So I switched a couple of tick here to look at a couple of trades, and now coming back here, and you see, boom, the rip is high. Now here I added to my position 2,000 shares more. So I was 1,000 share, and I added 2,000 shares because now I have a much better confidence that it's going to go to 430. And my average is going to go to 426.26. And this is important because when you're averaging, so your average is going to come higher. So how much you're adding is impacting your average. So let's see that. So now this was my first entry, 1,000 share. I added 2,000 shares more here because now I have a really good confidence that it's going to go to 428 and 430 because the orders are very clear to the upside. There's huge order. And my average has come up to around 426. So somewhere around here. I probably added a little bit too much. I probably had to add only 1,000 share, but I wanted to be a little bit aggressive. So keep bringing out, this at 425. All right. So as you see, my up to $3,000 is now coming back almost to break even. But I'm having confidence in my Market Atlas and what I'm seeing here in the Market Atlas. All right, now we're going toward the 428, which is the bigger order that we are having here. So 428 is all the orders are stacking up here. You can actually see it in the level 2 when you come closer as well. So, this add now really helped me. So now my unrealized P&L is going to go up. And that's what they're saying, that, it's best to add into your winners. So you don't want to add to your losers, but you want to add into your winner. We're continuing here toward the 428. So now, I zoomed out a little bit of Market Atlas. I adjusted my time frame. So I'm starting partial just below 428, just in case that we're getting. So I sold 10% of my position. As you see, there's a bottom partial 10% in trading terminal. Again, this is a replay, but in the real, trading, I also have that. So I partial another 10%. Automatically is doing that. Now I closed $1,000 and there's $6,000 unrealized. And again, we're going toward that 430 that I was super excited about. And I was patient to that. So very important, guys, be patient to, for the technical levels that you're having. And as you see, the volume is here picking up significantly. Look at the orders at 430. You can see it, through the 430. And I partialed a little bit more here. Now I have $2,000 unrealized. And now see the orders just at 430 got all filled. Okay, so what am I gonna do? Am I gonna completely exit the trade? Okay, so first of all, my stop loss is now at my break-even point, 426.26. So my stop loss is now here. I'm never going to lose in this trade. So the minimum money that I'm walking away today is $2,000, and I'm in there. So I can close the position right now at $7,000 more, $9,000. But Market Atlas is telling me that you have potential to get to even higher price, 435. And being patient in there, is something that really helps you. Okay, added and, I exited another 10%. And now order at 435 became red. So it means that even it's getting bigger and bigger. So that means that all the bids are also higher now. So here's I was thinking that, you know what, I don't have anything to lose. My average is at now 426. So I have a really, really good average. I have a really good profit. Why not adding it in case we want to get to 435? So if I didn't have Market Atlas, I wouldn't have this thought process. So, okay, so if we get a pullback to these moving averages, which is totally normal. So as you see these small pullbacks, small, bull flag, the small ABCD patterns that you're going, if you can go and add more around this area, or for the breakout of 430, if you come back up at 430, then that would be a really better profit. So I still am holding the 2,000 share that I'm having here, and just looking at it, it's nothing is scary for me as of now, because still these moving averages, pullbacks are totally normal. Everything that goes up toward these pullbacks is totally normal. All right, so right now I still have 2,000 shares, so I'm thinking of adding to my as you see, I'm trying to add another 1,000 share buy. Let's see if potentially if he can come and make a new 1 minute high, I can add another 1,000 share here on that. It looks like it's coming back up. Again, the 430 order is at 435. It's still big order. This is the color is red. I'm going to add another 1,000 share on that. So now it's even bigger than original position that we are having. And that's what you want. Now the trade is really going into your direction. 435 is really within the reach. And, as soon as the next big pop toward 431, 432, you can partial and see if you can actually maximize the profit that you're having. So I know it's a little bit boring to watch this one, but if I want to go a little bit faster on that, so again, I'm going to go faster. It comes into the high of the day. I'm adding a little bit, partialing 10%, does a little bit of a pullback here, and then the next move toward to the upside. And then this is the moment that I started partialing toward 432. So again, there's nothing for me to be worried about. I have a really good entry. I had a really good ad. I had a really good second ad. And even the 1 minute candlestick is constantly telling you, these small micro pullbacks toward non-moving averages, these big breakouts are really nice with volume. Market Atlas is continuously supporting this. So there's no reason for me to get out of this trade. So I'm just keep booking the profit, partialing. Right now, I'm at $7,500 realized, and I have another $8,000 realized. So, and I really want to get to 435. So as you see, there is a really, really nice move. There is a very nice profit. There is a very nice entry, and there is no reason for me to panic, to not let this winner run. So the whole point of this recap for you is to watch and see how I let this runner run. What did I saw? What was my thought process? What was my afraid? Like it's scary not to take advantage of this another 7,000, 2,000. Do you remember this one that was $1,000 and I was really shaking if I should take the profit or not? Now it's $15,000. It just keeps going higher and higher and higher. And again, 433 and 435 is very clear that orders are going to go. Is it 100%? No, it's not 100%. But as long as this really nice price action supports that, you stay in the trade or you add into a trade. If the price action started really collapsing and going down, then you just get out of the trade. And that was the end of the recording. I think in that case, it's gonna go all the way up to 435. But I stopped my recording because I think I was very clear. I think I started closing my position, but it did hit 435 in that day. Okay, so what was the point of this recording? The point of this recording was to make sure that by looking at Market Atlas properly, you can actually stay in the trade, add into your trade properly, and maximize your profit. And if you actually like the video and you like this kind of video more, let me know in the comments. And if you have any question, also ask in the comments and I'm happy to answer them. Thanks for watching and see you in the chat room.